Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable add orders to wallet for order tracking in Wallet and Apple Pay on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings, and in the main settings page we then scroll down and then tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Next, scroll down and then tap on Add Orders to Wallet. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When this is turned on, orders from participating merchants will be automatically added to Wallet. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.